Gulay.
It's banana.
Yeah, this I will plant again. What is that? A chocolate.
We are the brave, we are the bold, we can.
Good morning. This NMC Hospital. Dito ako na kay Sarah.
Only the bridge.
Not yet.
Not yet. Not yet the bridge.
Very traffic. It's RMN Broadcast Center.
This Mercury.
Marco,
Where?
Office of the Post Office. What you see? Jollibee, Jollibee. General Santos Fire Station.
Fire, fire. Like this.
Yeah. This
What?
place is for
And
firefighter.
like that, like that, like that, like that.
Ang bombero.
And also like
Ano meron dito?
Huh? What happened? Why all of them here?
I think it's in the school or
Are they fighting?
fiesta? Ah, it's a fiesta.
Fiesta.
I think they're going to the fiesta.
Ayan, nandito na
The
kami.
Great Tower. Where's Baba going?
Here is Baba.
Now where's Baba going?
I got it already. Yeah, let's go.
He said some
Whoa, 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 whoa. My
mix and
Ice cream.
magic.
beaks and magic.
Magic.
Magic?
Magic.
Yeah.
Papa, why the beaks like magic?
Yeah.
Mix.
Mix?
Yeah, mix in magic.
Mix and magic?
Yeah. Ay.
See the message from where?
Let's see. Ooh.
Give me.
We are here. Maybe.
Gulay.
It's banana.
Yeah, this I will plant again. What is that? A chocolate.
Let's see it. Chocolate. What's here? Say what's here? Say what's here? Oh. Oh, Mom, that's carrot. Carrot. Carrot.
This for me.
Yeah, for you.
This for you. This for you.
May pear paris na ko sa akong radish carrots.
For me. Kit Kat. Nice.
Wow.
Cut.
Thank you sa nagatang chocolate.
Nice, Papa. I like
May
it.
pangtan
I like it.
ko.
Nothing?
I like it. This snowball.
Tanim na naman tayo.
I said snowball.
Yeah.
For two us.
What?
What is this like this?
There are two. For us and for Saya and Sora.
Basil.
Rehan.
Mahan.
This Rehan.
What is this paper?
You're right. Something.
You can write something.
Maybe she forget it.
Yes.
Or like yun and study.
Thank you daw sa nagbigay. Hindi naman kilala pero thank you.
You put seed in it. You put seed in it.
Yes, Debbie?
And this. And the
Yeah, you must plant this. Not totally full sun.
carrot. Mom, the carrot grow down under. It grows down.
Yeah, in the
And
soil.
when we remove it, we can see that carrot.
Yeah. Tupiin, hapon na. Ano naman ginagawa ng dalawang to? Hi, what are you doing, baby?
Okay.
What you cook?
I cook broccoli and
Wow,
now surround it.
you cook
A little whole one.
vegetable?
Yeah. But this one's sweet. I will take my this about my back.
Okay.
This about from my side. What the cooking. Now this is pepper. No, that's
What pepper? That's for my kili-kili power.
I make it pepper and I make it salt.
Pepper and salt. Ah,
I'm
okay.
making both only. And also I put some strawberry.
Okay.
Now this is not a spinach. This. Hiya, you wanna play that one? Hiya.
Play lang ha, don't fight.
Creeping the time or free the time. This is a spinach here. Spinach. Here we go.
I will go, baby, ha? I will just finish my work. Luto na naman tayo luto ako ng pansit. Ayan, ha. Yung sahog ko, ito na lang po. Tsaka itong squid ball at tsaka itong hotdog. Ito po ay medyo sira na siya. May amoy na. Hindi ko pa sinapansin eh. Kaya ito lang yung napili ko. Papakain ko na lang to sa manok. Ito lang muna yung panghalo ko sa pansit. Lagyan ng konting sabaw kasi parang maiba naman, palagi na lang nagmamanok. At magprito tayo ng tilapia. Napakataba po ng tilapia, oh. Binabad ko muna, minamarinate ko. Masarap to, crunchy. Pag talaga yung pagkain nyo may turmeric, nakakasira ng mga plato. Kasi yung kulay niya dumidikit. Kaya pagkatapos ginamit yung plato, hugasan talaga agad para hindi siya magdikit yung kulay. sauce, konti. Tapos, oyster sauce. Some spices. Paminta. Fine herbs. Mabango po pag maraming spices ka. Ala, muntik na talaga. Ito yung pritong crunchy talaga siya. As in.
Mom, I want noodles. I want noodles.
Just a minute. A fish? Yan, kakain na tayo. Nothing. I have bagoong.
I drink.